Hey there, Dr. Craig here. What I want to do is show you some of those exercises that we talked about in our June workshop, Falling Apart Syndrome. This is for your upper body. So the first exercise is called the push-up plus. So in the down position, now you can do this from your knees or in a push-up position. You can even do it up against the wall. I'll show you that in a few minutes. So the first one, if we just do it from our knees, what we want to concentrate on is letting our chest fall through between our shoulder blades. Our shoulder blades can be squeezed behind us. Then we push up as high as we can, trying to round our upper back, and then drop down again, squeeze those shoulder blades together, and then all the way back up. And just keep doing that movement, straight elbows. The front of your elbow should be pointing straight forward towards your fingertips. And you're going to do 10 to 12 repetitions of that one. Okay, so that's 4. So all the way up, all the way down. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is called the sit, reach, and lift. So in that down position, I want you to reach your hand as far forward as you can with your palm up, and you're going to lift your arm up as high as you can with a straight arm, straight elbow, and then back down. Same thing, reach up as high as you can, and down. And we're going to do 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. The whole time I want to keep my back as flat as possible. Okay, and we're going to do that 10 to 12 times. The next one is the wall reach. So just finding a flat wall, what you're going to do is stand with your back right up against the wall, elbows against the wall, hands, wrists, head, everything against the wall. You're just going to try and reach your arms up as high as you can and back down. And again, we're going to do 10 to 12 repetitions. So down and up, really trying to concentrate on keeping everything as close to the wall as you possibly can. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the Y's, the W's, the T's, and the L's. So the Y, using your body as the main part of the Y, always doing these exercises with your thumbs pointing behind you. So in a Y position, you're just going to lift your arms up straight up in the air and try and pull them back behind you as far as you can, and hold that for 20 seconds. Okay? Really concentrating on keeping your elbows straight, nice tall spine. So that's the Y. The W, we're going to hold our arms at a 45-degree angle, palms up towards the ceiling, and we're just going to push our thumbs back behind us, squeezing our shoulder blades behind. And again, hold that for 20 seconds. The T is hands straight up in front of you, palms up towards the ceiling, thumbs behind you. Take your elbows all the way back, your arms back, squeeze those shoulder blades back behind you. And again, hold for 20 seconds. And then the last one is an L. Elbows bent at 90 degrees. Turn your elbows out as far as you can, pointing your thumbs back behind you. Okay? So the next one we're going to do is working on our forearms. Now this, you just need a flat surface. It could be a chair, a couch, a coffee table. Something below your waist though is ideal. Hands down on the surface, fingertips pointing away from you, and you're just going to rock your body forward and relax. Rock forward and relax. Here we're working on our wrist mobility. And again, we're going to do 6 to 8 repetitions this way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn our hands down so the backs of our hands are against the floor or against the surface. Elbows straight, and we're just going to lean back. So we start to feel that real strong stretch in the back of our wrists. And again, do 6 to 8 repetitions. Really concentrating on going slow. This one can be a little uncomfortable when you first try it. Okay? And now the last ones we're going to talk about is something for the elbows. And with this one, you're going to need a yoga tune-up ball or a tennis ball. But what you're going to do is you're going to find a flat surface against a wall. And for the lateral elbow, the tennis elbow, we're going to place the ball against the wall, our elbow against the ball, and then our body up against our elbow. And in this position, you're going to roll around trying to find some of those little sore spots in your elbow or in your forearm. When you find one, you're going to open your hand up as wide as you can, Hold it there for 10 seconds, relax, and then wiggle back and forth, east and west, north and south, and then just go hunting all the way down from your elbow to your wrist, looking for more of those little tender spots. When you find one, you open your finger as far apart as possible for 10 seconds, relax, scrub east, west, north, south, and then go hunting for the next one, okay? And that's it. So that's the exercises that we've got for your shoulders, your elbows, and your wrists. These are really important to do if you've got any kind of problems within that kinetic chain of your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist. These are going to be really, really helpful. If you found it helpful, just let us know and just keep doing the exercises and share it with others. Thanks a lot.